Yo, what's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. So, guys, this is what I was talking about with my boys here. I told them that we need to buy, we need to sell BTC. We sold BTC since morning, and you can see after this what happens. Yes, it was moving so slowly. As you can see, our BTC from morning was moving so slowly until evening. We had about 40 something or 50 something per positions. But then I told them that according for our time frame, my strategies, and also if you have my strategies in your phones, you can check the strategies what they shows. So according to my strategies, it was longer and strong sell. So I told them not to buy. I told them that we should sell, and we sold until now. So guys, I wasn't aware of this spike because I didn't know. I didn't check exactly on uh, um, investing.com. I don't know what happened exactly, but I will check later on. But before I do anything, let me just close this before uh this spike goes back. You know what happens after spike, as after a bigger spikes like this, you know what happens. It doesn't mean that it won't go back down, but currently it must do a little bit pullback. So I have to close this before I check anything else, so as you can see, what is happening is what um I said, So this was our entry point somewhere here in the morning, and then you can see we were in a small profit, and I told them that I was gonna close exactly to this area where this spike started from the previous one that happened last time, Friday. This happened Friday, So this where my take profit was exact. So spike have spiked a lot and even jumped my take profit because I didn't set it. I was waiting for the price to reach this level probably at tomorrow or after tomorrow, because I was targeting this after 2 days probably. But since this spike happened, it reached my take profit, and what I'm gonna do is to wait for a pullback. If it's not gonna set support and change direction, is to wait for another setup. Then I can also sell it if I will have to. If something else can happen, then we will know if we have to buy or to sell. But currently, we still have a strong sell. No matter what, pullback is gonna happen, and then there's still a more chance of selling BTC. So, my people, this is what we do. If you did nothing the whole weekend, then you should have blamed yourself, because if you are not making money, you need to stay focused on the market and see what is happening. Probably your chances are somewhere around. So if you just leave the market alone and go, you will never know what's gonna even be next the following week. So tomorrow we are starting a new week. If you stay away from market, you won't even have an idea of what will happen next week. But if you are closer to the market, at least you can see the movement of these. Then you may be like saying that this and this because of ABCD. Probably tomorrow is gonna be like this, so you will stay learning a new thing. So my people, let me say good night. Let's see each other tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to start a new week. Then it will be a wonderful for each and every one of us. So go and check to my mobile strategies. I know some of you have them. Check to my mobile strategies, then analyze according to what I said. I'm sure that you will get what I am telling you guys, because after this area were broken, you know After this area were broken, then there was nothing like a buy. As you can see, price went up, and managed to go up from here. As you can see here, we have double bottom. I don't know if you can see, if you can clearly see this here and this. You can see this is a shoulder and this is a shoulder. So this is a double bottom. I'm not saying anything else because I use the shoulder, so you may get confused. You may confuse this with the head and shoulder, or inverse and head and shoulder, because it's the one that have shoulders. So check this, lower low of this, and high of this, and lower low. So this was double bottom, which is the reason why price were pushed up. So after pushing up now, I want you to see this area. Once price breaks this resistance and goes up, then it was easy to understand that price probably would come back and set support again and go. But since it comes with a bigger movement and breaks this and retest it, you can see the retest, and it comes back and break. Let me show you this also, then you will understand, and break this previous one. You see, from this area, this was a resistance. After this pullback, resistance were broken. After breaking it, then this movement comes back down and stand on this. After retesting the previous stronger resistance, it comes here and failed and went up and comes and touched for second time. Then before it comes to break down, it created bearish cross there. So now check what happened. There's that crowd. Now it breaks it with a stronger movement. Then after this, you can see that we had exactly a stronger downtrend. So it was easy for everyone to spot this. So my people, we can't explain everything now because video is gonna get longer. Let me just close this video for now, and we will have time to explain and in next trade that we will take. But I think everyone, and I hope everyone understand that this was still a downtrend and was still a stronger one. If you've been following market BTC movement, you could see that after that happens, then a downtrend trend line have taken over. After this breakdown, you can see that price have never went up against this trend, then until now. Check what happened. So my guys, have a good night. We are gonna meet again in next analysis, but tomorrow, I think on 26 and 27, I think I'm not gonna be available because of the journey that I have. I'll be on my way traveling to somewhere which is a little bit far. Probably from 26 or 27 and 28, you will see me again around 29, after getting a rest. Then I will be back in South Africa after a week or after some few days. So my people, enjoy your night. Wherever is in the morning, enjoy your morning also. Then Jay loves you all.